have been a fantastic audience so far. We have 2 classes left. Please continue to be a wonderful audience. This next performance is Mr. Bird's 6th graders. They're going to be singing one of my favorite songs, Keep Your Head Up by legendary Tupac. Starting at the house, we need it to be totally quiet. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, you go.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna get brighter. Someday, things are gonna get easier. Someday, things are gonna get brighter.
Remember Marvin Gaye used to say to me, "Gotta feel right, that was the thing to me." Suddenly together and it seemed so tough, and though we had it rough, we always had enough. I helped him up about my curfew and broke the roof, ran with the local, and did a thing or two. I realized Mama really paid the price. She nearly gave her life to raise me right.
And all I had to give her was